she was booked us for 3 more functions in July. With any luck, she'll start recommending us to her friends. That's some sort of bump to the head, Saeed. A couple of hours ago, you were all set for a public flogging. I'm sorry. You can tell your mother and her mates that there is more to me than being some pumped-up queen. You don't need to tell me that. Don't I? So what was all that about? You don't understand. Damn right, I don't. Just go, Saeed. I can't. Why not? Got what you wanted, haven't you? Come on, go off, marry a little princess, live happily ever after. I don't get you, Saeed. You make out like one mates and then you rip apart everything I stand for. What exactly is your problem, eh? Because this isn't just about religion, is it? Be quiet. Just thought you wanted a hand, that's all. Not for me. What's wrong with me? Where do I start? Maybe with the fact that you destroy everything you touch. Get the sticks quick on my own. You wonder, really. Grow up. Your wish is my command. What are you doing? We don't have giant seagulls in Pakistan. And we don't have them in London either. I just thought it might detract from the whacking great hole. Are you determined to ruin my life? You saw how much that painting means to my mum. Well, you're hardly named off, are you? How could you say that? Being a painter is my dream. It's all I've ever wanted. Do you want to destroy that too? I'm sorry, alright? Didn't realise it meant that much to you. Gotcha. Yeah, you have. Come back tomorrow.